So really, mindSHIFT is focused on growing revenue, managing cost, increasing customer satisfaction, like any customer or like any business. And our focus is to really help support that out of the IT group. And one of the areas is automation. And so this Altiris project is a key component and supports all three of those objectives. So that's one of our big initiatives right now.
Once we installed it, we determined that there's a lot more we could do with Altiris than we had originally planned. The primary goal of our Altiris deployment is really, in the short term, to automate some of our maintenance processes on servers.
We like to keep the night shifts as minimal as possible, and most of the tasks that the night shift does today is very manual. And we want to automate those processes, and if there's a problem, they can interject and remediate the problem. But the idea is to really keep them hands off and doing some of the day-to-day, or in this case, night-to-night tasks.
And so now I can take what are manual steps, automate them, and like I said, increase consistency, quality, and drive labor out of the equation.
For us, on top of product delivery and being able to deliver applications to our customers in a more real-time, kind of dynamic way through a portal, it also allows us to extract a lot of information about what's in our installed base on a very detailed level. We're able to turn around and provide that information back to our customers in a real dynamic, real-time way, and allow them to see the assets that they actually have on site.
It gives us the opportunity to track whether or not there's a change in a workstation. We can generate a case, automate it through workflow solution, and we can notify the customer of that change. So it really gives us that granularity level down to the desktop layer, which before we only really had at the server layer. ITMS really gives us that flexibility, and the licensing model gives us that flexibility to pick and choose what's going to work best for us.
So I would recommend the Altiris products to a peer if they're looking for any kind of automation and increase in productivity.
With all the capabilities that are built into it, the single console from a management perspective, the features and functions that you can invoke to help you manage a large, widespread, scalable environment, they're all there. But from a revenue generation perspective, it really does a couple of things. One is it obviously allows us to deploy our customers sooner in a more standardized way. So we're able to recognize revenue quicker. The customer gets a stable solution to address their immediate needs faster. We're also able to push more products to them to the desktop level in a more automated, standardized way, almost on an on-demand way at some point in time.
I would recommend the IT Management Suite. It's tough to find a solution that does all of these things.